Hey everyone, today we will be delving into a comprehensive guide on crafting powerful YouTube ads. The landscape of YouTube advertising is continually evolving, and to succeed, it is essential to stay up to date with the latest strategies and tactics. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of crafting compelling YouTube ads that capture your audience's attention and drive results. Step number 1. Start with a strong attention grabber. In the past, starting your videos with a strong hook was the go-to strategy. While hooks are still important, the sheer volume of content on YouTube and the competitive nature of the platform require a more attention-grabbing approach. To stand out, begin your ad with an immediate attention grabber. This could be in the form of motion graphics, sound effects, or other visually engaging elements. The goal is to break the viewer's pattern and capture their attention. Step number 2. Craft a compelling hook. After grabbing your audience's attention, it is crucial to deliver a compelling hook. This hook should pique your viewers' interest and ensure that they stay engaged throughout your ad. Effective hooks can involve calling out your specific audience, asking a thought-provoking question, or sparking curiosity. You can gather inspiration by observing successful ads on YouTube or using third-party tools to analyze your competitors' strategies. Step number 3. The promise and proof section. Once you have hooked your audience, it is time to dive into the promise and proof section of your ad. Here, you need to explain what your product or service does and how it addresses your customers' pain points. Instead of merely telling viewers about your offering, show them through live demonstrations, testimonials, or success case studies. The key is to convince your audience that your product or service delivers on its promises. Step number 4. Add a strong call to action. Include a compelling call to action around 30 seconds and another just before 2 minutes to boost viewer engagement. Shorter ads tend to perform better, so keep them under 2 minutes and make your message clear and impactful for maximum impact. Step number 5. Test and iterate. Don't expect your first YouTube ad to be a hit. It usually takes multiple iterations to find the winning formula. Test different hooks, promises, and problem-solving approaches, exploring various options to increase your chances of success. Step number 6. The 5-second rule. Given the trend toward shorter attention spans and short-form content, you must maintain viewer engagement throughout your ad. Implement the 5-second rule, which dictates that something attention-grabbing or visually engaging should occur every 5 seconds in your ad. This keeps viewers engaged and prevents them from losing interest. Step number 7. Launch and monitor multiple campaigns. When launching your campaigns, it is essential to target the right audience, install conversion tracking, and create your ad. But remember, it is not just about one ad. You may need to launch multiple campaigns, test different ad variations, and be prepared to adapt as you gather data and insights. In summary, creating successful YouTube ads involves grabbing attention, providing proof, and compelling action. Flexibility and a willingness to test and iterate are key to your success. Keep refining your approach based on real-world data, and you will be well on your way to crafting YouTube ads that deliver outstanding results. That is for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce how to strategically launch and scale your first campaigns. Thank you for watching, and I will see you onto the next video.